Hi Year 4! Today we're going to be learning about less than and greater than. This is the symbol for less than and this is the symbol for greater than. Your learning intention. You need to identify and use the less than and greater than symbol to show how two numbers are related. To be successful, you need to use the less than symbol to show how two numbers are related, and you need to use the greater than symbol to show how two numbers are related. Less than. This is the symbol for less than. It reminds me of a capital L. It is going in the same direction as a capital L. Less than means smaller. The symbol, which is this in the red, means less than. Boys and girls, let me tell you something. Mathematicians, they are very, very lazy and they like to replace words with symbols. So instead of writing less than, they just include this symbol which represents those words. For example, 5 is less than 13. We read this as we read words in a book. We read them from left to right. 5 is less than 13. Example 2. 17 is less than 24. 17 is less than 24. Again, reading it from left to right. Example 3. 25 is less than 33. 25 is less than 33. And the final example, 16 is less than 17. 16 is less than 17. You can see in all these examples that the smaller number is written on the left-hand side of our symbol and the larger number is on the right-hand side of the symbol. Greater than. The symbol goes in the other direction. This is the symbol for greater than. This reminds me of a G because the tail of a G goes in the same direction as this bottom line. Greater than. Greater than means bigger. The symbol, which is this one in green, means greater than. Example 1. 5 is greater than 3. Again, we read it from left to right. 5 is greater than 3. Example 2. 27 is greater than 24. 27 is greater than 24. Again, we read it from left to right. Example 3. 55 is greater than 33. 55 is greater than 33. And example 4. 19 is greater than 18. 19 is greater than 18. You can see in all these examples that the larger number is on the left-hand side and the smaller number is on the right-hand side of the symbol. So your activity is, you need to complete the following number sentences by adding the correct symbol, less than or greater than in the space provided. You are to do these questions in your red book. At this stage, you might want to pause the video so you can complete these questions. Once you've completed them, unpause to continue watching the rest of the video. So just to recap, mathematicians are very lazy people and they like to replace words with symbols to make their life a little bit easier and I guess to make our life a little bit more complex. Less than, this is the symbol for less than. It reminds me of a capital L. And the next symbol is greater than. Again, this reminds me of a G because it goes in the same direction as the tail. Happy learning, Year 4.